Name of gender. King, queen, brother, sister, dog, bitch, father, mother, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, cow, ox, cock, hen, peacock, peahen, grandfather, grandmother, boy, girl, man, woman, horse, mare, sir, madam, prince, princess,